What's up, risers? James here at On the Rise Trucks. Yes, I'm out in the rain for you guys. That's how much I love you. Look at this bad boy. The other video is up at the beginning. Now look at the end. Rock lights in the center, in the wheel wells, wheel rings. 8 rock lights, 4 row wheel rings. Look at that thing. Look at that thing lit up. What did I tell you guys? Did I tell you we was gonna light it up on fire? Look at that. Oh man. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. On the Rise Trucks. Come get you some. And we even did a little special one right back here for everybody. Look at that one. Can you see it, guys? There you go. All right. On the Rise Trucks. Build your dream truck here. Peace.